Getting a steady flow of affiliate marketing checks. In affiliate marketing, you probably would want to be the kind of marketer who sees a check when you open your mailbox. All the more if they were checks. It is ironic to know that there are a lot of people who can never make a sale and have never received any checks in their affiliate marketing. But there are also lots of those who receive monthly checks all year long. No matter what kind of affiliate marketing you have, you will want to be one of those on the way to building a stable affiliate income. There are actually ways on how to build a good and sound affiliate marketing income. So if you are committed to this business, read on and learn. 1. Identifying a practical market niche. Try to identify the niche market you want to focus on. While there are a lot of those out there, not all are easy to infiltrate. More often than not, you will end up losing more money than gaining some in the first place. 2. Find a stable affiliate program that offers the niche market you want. Search over the internet for this program. Make sure that you find the company that helps their affiliates through advices and tools needed for affiliate marketing. These are the types who want your success over anything else. 3. Have your own site and create a newsletter with content-rich information that focuses on your niche market. A website is necessary in affiliate marketing. This is where people will go when they find what you're offering interesting. This is also where you can tell them about other features of your business. Make sure your target audience gets to your site and get them to sign up for your newsletter. You can do this by trying to differ from the way other people are advertising their affiliate marketing. Be unique. Think of creative ways to make people go to your site and check you out. 5. Get them to buy from you. The ones going to your affiliate site should be ready to buy from you. Present them with an offer they will find tempting so they will not be able to resist. There are a lot of sites you can look into that are offering affiliate programs. Take note that some of them are good and some are not. Do your research so you can distinguish which ones will be best for you. If not, you are just wasting your time. Below are some tips in finding a program that will give you the profit you have always dreamed of. 1. Look for one that is targeting your chosen niche market. If your niche is about beauty products, you may want to give them tutorials on how to take care of their skin or body. Your products or services must be related to maintaining and preserving beauty. It is also better if you can present testimonials from people who have used your products. This will give credibility to what is being presented. 2. Consider the commission you will be getting. Sending an email to your list will cost you. Think of it this way. When you send an email, you send out a recommendation on some of the products offered. This is basically called an opportunity cost. So if you try to compute all that you have sent, that will be the cost you incurred. Now, have those persons you emailed bought from you? If they did, then it was worth the advertising sent. But if not, that will be deducted from you. Be certain that the commission offered to you justifies and makes up for the cost of advertising you went through. You would not want to be spending more on advertising than the amount of commission you are receiving. Make sure that it is fair enough. 3. Inspect the product yourself. Do not start recommending something you are not certain about. Try to at least examine them to know if they are any good and worth recommending to others. How will you make your customers believe in your product when you yourself do not? Put yourself in their place and see if you would be interested in availing one of your product or service.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.